Hi guys, and welcome to today's task. For today's task, we are going to be fixing a simple problem that I see in a lot of faucets in bathrooms. Does your faucet do this? See that bubble? That means the water's not quite flowing all the way through the center of it, and this is blocked. And I'm going to show you how to fix that today. I know I've shown in the past how to install a faucet from below and to install the handles from below, but we're working up here, and many people don't know this, but this faucet is somewhat breakdownable. Is that a word? Disassemblable. On almost all faucets, whether it's a bathroom faucet or a kitchen faucet or anything like that, this end nozzle is removable. And I want to show you what's causing our problem. Looking inside of our faucets, like I guess end nozzle, I don't know what you want to call this, you can see little black spots. Those are not meant to be there, and if I dump in the water, all those spots will go away, so I don't want to do that. But that is just blockage that's coming in from maybe hard water, maybe from your water softener particulates, possibly your water heater. It can come in from a lot of different sources, but it's there and it's causing a small but annoying problem. So how do we clean it out? Well, one, dump it over. All of these black little particulates, that's what's in that filter. And there still are plenty more in there. If I take my finger and rub it across there, you can see them all along that as well. So there's actually quite a bit in there. So what I recommend is turning the water on, letting it run for a second to clean all that out and clean out what's up in the line that may be staying in the line. And next, turn your faucet backwards. Our nozzle just sits like that, and actually if you flip it over and push it backwards, that little filter piece will come out. Oh, it came out just a second ago. There we go. Don't lose it down the drain. You can still see a few particulates in there, and there's actually particulates inside of this, and you can separate this as well and clean out a little bit more in depth inside of that. Okay, that separates as well. So don't lose any of these pieces. I am pretty stupid doing this with an open drain, but I guess we'll just be careful. All right, I'm gonna try using my knife and not cutting my fingers off. See if that'll pop in. Yep, it does. That just slides right out. And we're gonna knock all the, drain all the particulates out of there. All of them off of this piece. Now it's time to reassemble. So we put the red little filter right there. Pop that in. Then we put this filter into there, like so. And then this one pops in there. And it does snap together really, really well. And then if you do have lots of calcium buildup, I would recommend using like some CLR or something like that. It's pretty gentle on your faucets, and it'll get rid of a lot of the calcium buildup. Then we're gonna put our faucet just right back in, like so. Really, really simple. Back in place. Now we're gonna screw it right back on. Be real careful here not to cross thread. And this doesn't have to be wrench tight, just hand tight's great. And then turn it on. Oh, look at that, it doesn't bubble anymore. That's awesome. You get a little bit of water tension there, and I don't know, I think that's just kind of one of the things that happens, but it's not doing that whole balloon out thing. That actually could stay for a long time when I just left it there. So this is an easy way to fix a simple problem. This isn't anything causing huge problems to my plumbing anywhere, but it does tell me a few things that I probably do need to do a drain on my water heater and just double check that my water softener is doing its job and that we're filtering out any particulates that need to be coming through. But if you've got that annoying water bubble in your faucet, this is a quick fix for it. So if you liked today's video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. And if you're interested in a beautiful, beautiful Today's Task hat, email mytodaystask@gmail.com and we'll give you the purchasing details. Until next time, we'll see you guys later. Sorry. So what do? We simply... Oh, that's gross. Turn the hair out. Get the hair out, Joel. Should have cleaned the sink first. You're a genius. Skipping steps here, Joel. Our faucet just backwards through some water. Oh. I just lost the screen. Problem, like, obviously, to ship one to your house. That's dumb.